Since she's been a 10th grader, and she's participated in building construction. She has participated in welding. She's in ROTC, so she's an all-around girl, and she's gotten her hands exposed to a lot of things. So I'm gonna let her tell you about her project and see where it goes.
First off, I want to thank everybody for coming out. This project is the career pathway class. You're supposed to have a class project, and you get to pick what that project is, whatever. It's used to demonstrate the skills you have learned in the career program. The project I chose was a playhouse. The reason I chose a playhouse was I felt as doing a playhouse, I got to show more skills than just a smaller project. And I also got to throw in some welding and all that. So the first thing we did was we picked out a design. We researched different playhouses, decided what would be the best for us to come up with. The one I chose was a 2-story playhouse. It gave the kids a deck underneath to play under with an outside experience, and then an actual house feel up top for them to play. This side over here is going to be your second floor. This is the house part, and then this is your porch part. These lines right here is on the deck boards was laid out on the bottom floor. After we came up with the drawings and all that, we had to come up with a cost estimate to see about what we were going to cost to do this. It ended up being about $1,400, but thanks to other things we got donated, it wasn't that much. The donations, we like to thank Structural Wood Systems for donating 2x4s and 2x6s. We like to thank the Fords for donating 2x4s, 2x6s, deck boards, and they also donated the metal tubing for the swing set. For fundraisers, for other materials that we had to purchase outside of what was donated, we had a fundraiser where we raised about $400 for. And then the purchase materials we did have to purchase that weren't donated included plywood, screws. We ended up having to purchase another small piece of 2-inch tubing, and then a wire wheel, the plastic roofing, and pine siding. So, to start the building process, this isn't included here, but we leveled out the ground, and then where we could frame the first floor with 2x6s around the perimeter, and place 2x4 floor joists 16 inches on the center. Then we placed 5 1/4-inch deck boards on top of the floor system. For the next process, we sticked up the second floor, framing it with 2x6 around the perimeter, like we did on the ground floor, and then the 2x4 floor joists onto the 2x6s. We have a series of different skills. I mean, we had to learn how to level stuff right, how to cut stuff, we learn how to weld, but it's a lot different when you're actually putting it onto something. So.
Did it teach you about a multi-layered project?
Yeah, it did. It also taught me a lot about time management. Because we got a little bit behind here and there, but we're